guys give this video a like. All right, what is good, everybody? You can see it's an absolute crappy day here in Connecticut. Got some rain, nice cool October day. Look at this. SI's looking really clean for once. Today we're gonna do a little update on a few things for you guys. I know everybody's been asking a lot of questions, but so it's just a chill Saturday, day before Halloween. Kind of a lazy day for me. I'm just, you know, inside doing some schoolwork. I've been doing online classes and stuff, so it's been keeping me busy. Figured I'd just update you guys a lot about what's going on. So obviously, still in the SI. I did some thinking. It would be crazy for me to sell this. Honestly, it's been really, really good to me. This video is going to be pretty much all over the place, but just a few things I want to cover. We reached 25,000 subscribers, guys. I want to thank everybody supporting everything that I do. I want to keep going, but at my own pace and see where it takes me, you know. 100K is the goal. I don't know when I'll get there, but I'm pretty optimistic about it. And I want to just keep, you know, thriving and pushing forward at my, you know, at my time frame. And I want to be happy making these videos for you guys. The money is cool, but like at the end of the day, guys, like, you know, you could have this and just be like, oh, you know, well, I'm not 100% happy. Like, and if the happiness is not there, then there's really no point. So that's why you have to, you know, do things that are going to make you feel more connected on a level. I guess there's a point in time where it's like you get the money, so you're chasing after the money you're going after, right? And you forget like why you're making, why, you know, for example, I forget why I would be making these videos, you know, and it is important for you guys to like the videos, but it's honestly more important for me to enjoy making the videos. I mean, I'm the one that's putting in the work, editing, and, you know, trying to be connected with you guys. There's a point in time where I wasn't feeling it, you know, and even now it's just like, you know, you make so much content and then you're like, okay, like, you know, I got to keep going and just generating new ideas and, you know, innovating and stuff, which is cool. And I want to still keep making videos for you guys. But sometimes I was stressed out for a bit, you know, like even though I had the money that I was like, I was always be like, yeah, I want this, or, you know, I want this amount. And it's like, I got it. And I was not 100% happy. A lot of you guys been wondering, yo, where you at? Like, when you dropping another video? You know, I'm going to keep posting for you guys. But just know that I've been working on the number one most important thing is, you know, personal growth. Whatever it is, I've been working on a ton of things. So I guess like I've been devoting a lot of time to that. And, you know, I've been kind of not necessarily neglecting midnight, but I've been just trying to appreciate it more, not really beating the crap out of it, you know. You know, this is where it's going to lead into the call out challenges. You know, the call out challenges were fun. I had a really good time. I like seeing what this car can stack up against and the performance differences. I would always play Forza back in the day, and I would always race like an S2000 versus an STI to see like the speed comparisons and the acceleration, or an SRT4. I was obsessed with cars. I've always been obsessed with car specs and, you know, performance. So it was cool for me to actually live that. Have its disadvantages. You know, I was beating the living crap out of this thing. You have your other issues you got to worry about. Like my last fun run with that Cadillac, everything was great, but I just wasn't feeling right that day, and I wasn't on my game, and I wasn't 100% into it, and I knew something negative was going to happen. And at that end of that video, before I cut the GoPro off, I should have left it on for you guys to see, but I was just like, dude, I knew this was going to happen. Something was telling me. We did our thing, and I look in my rear view to see something I never expected to see was wild. Like I could have not been driving right now, and Stady behind us running our plates. He knew exactly what happened. We both got lucky that day. Knew this time was coming, and I would always tell myself like, all right, this is about to be the last one. Like, I'm not doing this anymore. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I had a bad experience, a semi-bad experience, and it kind of changed my mind on things and what I have going for me now. And, you know, it's kind of like a toss-up. Like, yeah, the videos are fun and maybe I'm, you know, getting good views on them. But honestly, if I'm jeopardizing safety and, you know, other potential things, that it's not worth my time. So that's kind of why I ended the challenges, you know, for everybody wondering. And that's what happened. I'm not saying I'm not going to do them anymore. I'm going to be very cautious with them. And maybe when I do get the opportunity to bring this thing to the track, that'll be more challenges there. So that'll be an interesting part. But I've been chilling, laying low with that stuff. Another thing, guys, for all my crypto people, you guys knew that I had that Shiba Inu, right? So I had the Shiba Inu. I had like 11 million coins or tokens, whatever you want to call it, right? So I thought it was at a high, right? Like a couple weeks back. So I sold off, and I think I took away like $250 profit or something. I almost tripled my profit. I basically doubled. So I cashed out. All-time high of like 88, 89. I sold at 30. I bought at 08. So I'm like kicking myself in the butt right now for that. But if it's one thing I learned, you know, be confident with your purchase and hold, guys. I still have SHIB. I bought 5.5 at like, I think it was at like 40. So I'm up right now still, but fact of the matter is that if this pays off for me too, that'll be great, guys. So I told myself, if SHIB pays off for me, I will supercharge this car. Like, I will supercharge this car, and I'll buy whatever, real estate or a camper or whatever. But just know that if my crypto pays off, she's getting a charger kit. Well, I have, yeah, 5.5 million right now. I'm still up a little bit, but you could see it's dropped. I haven't really been doing like chart analysis or anything like that. I usually try to like read these charts for like, you know, hours at a time each day, kind of see what it is, but it fluctuates. But I gotta head to the grocery store, get some dinner for tonight, and then what else? I gotta go to the bank. This is ultimate budget right here. I had to put tape inside there because I literally have a hole right on the bottom. So I have to get new Crocs. I'm probably gonna order some on Amazon. I want some gray ones. I'm kind of done with the camo gang. Still gotta rep the Crocs with socks though. Probably get some gas too. I mean, dude, these gas prices, oh my God. Here's another thing, guys. These gas prices are ridiculously inflated lately, guys. I paid, I think it was $4.65 the other day. I put a thing up on my IG. If you guys want to see that on my IG, I'll leave the link down below. It's right over here. Hey, I love that WRX right there. Another WRX. Look at that. Hey. This thing needs like a full detail right now, guys. I got dust on the dash. Look at that. Stuff on the back seats, and we gotta clean her up, man. Keep the 8th gens clean, boys. All right, guys, just got the Napa. You guys could see I gotta run in there, get some AMS oil. It's like, I think it's like 15 bucks for a quart or something. I still got to do a how much I spent on my K24 swap video. I still need to host a meetup spot. I don't think it's going to be this year. It'll probably be next year in the springtime, but I haven't forgot about that meet. I want to host a meet with Hondas, whatever. Everything is welcome. So that's just in the plans. I didn't get around to it, to getting anything situated for this year, but I'm thinking what I want to do is host a meet at the track and then have everybody come at the track so we can run, we could have some fun runs at the track. That would be dope, like Lime Rock or something like that. Dude, look at her. She looks pretty clean. Coilovers are riding pretty good, guys, for the max speeding rods. I like them. I had to adjust the dampening to my preference, so those are doing good. I'm gonna run them until they crap out completely, and that's pretty much it, guys. I'm basically just gonna run this car how it is for a while. I low-key started a other partsless build. I've been adding up parts on the side, so if anything happens to this, or eventually even if I go supercharged with this, I still got my eyes on the Craftworks kit, so if I go supercharged with this thing, pop the hood for you guys. If I supercharge this bad boy, there's a few upgrades that I want to make before I get to that point, but listen to her, man. Sounds like a Prius, guys. Just wanted to, you know, clear some confusion up, get some stuff off my chest, share some stuff with you guys. I'm not really, you know, into telling you all my personal information. You know, like I have other stuff planned. Like my next plans, I'm not going to even say anything about it because it's going to be pretty wild. Just know you guys are going to be like, what? So just stay tuned for that. I have some crazy stuff coming up, hopefully, if everything goes good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This video. Also, I'm going to keep focusing on personal growth, eating right, and working out every single day, guys. It's been a super hard struggle for me, but I'm keeping the faith. Wish me luck. I'll see you soon. One last thing. I will be changing out this hideous e-brake handle very soon.